Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th. Second chapter is a matter around us pure. Okay, in a previous video we discussed that what meaning of solutions, right? Another we discussed that another point alloys, correct? Alloys we also discussed, and third is a component of solution, that is a solute, and another is what solvent we discussed in the detailed. Okay, we can see these videos means okay, we can search in our playlist, so we all of you will got these videos. Okay, next we'll complete, next we'll go to the some examples of what solutions, that solute as well as the solvent. Okay, the solution of a sugar in water is a solid in liquid solution. Again, simple example is there. Okay, this is a water is there, right? Water is there. Water is there. In that we are adding a what, sugar. We are adding a sugar. We are adding sugar. This is the water, and we are adding sugar to it. So in this solution, sugar is called as what? Solute particles, and water is called as a solvent. Simple example is there. Again, solution of iodine in alcohol. Solution of iodine in alcohol known as a tincture of iodine. Remember that. What is the solution of iodine? The solution of iodine plus alcohol is known as which type of solution? Tincture of iodine. So iodine is called as a solid, and the solute, the alcohol, is known as what? Solvent. So this is what alcohol, and the iodine is added in it, means it will form which type of solution? Tincture of iodine, and the iodine is known as a solid called as a solute, and the alcohol, that is known as what? Solvent. This is simple example are given here. Next, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks like soda water, etc., are gas in liquid solutions. Okay, these are called as what? Gas in liquid solutions. So carbon dioxide as a solute and water as a what here? Example of gases. So gases in liquid, carbon dioxide is mixing with water. This is an example of what? Gas in liquid solution. Next, fourth example. So air is a mixture of gas. Air is a mixture of gas. We already know that several gases are present in the air. Air is a homogeneous mixture. Air is also homogeneous mixture. Number of gases are present in the air. So air having what? Number of gases in it, and it is a homogeneous mixture also. Its main two constituent are, you already learned from the lower classes also. So the our air having two major components. One is oxygen is a 21%, and nitrogen has a 78%. So other gases are present in a very small quantities. This is also, that is why it is called as the air as what? Homogeneous mixture, because it contain not only the oxygen and nitrogen, but also contain variety of minute minute percentage as a gases. Major gases are what? Oxygen and nitrogen. So due to this two oxygen only, earth has a living creatures, because both nitrogen is also important and oxygen is also important. Oxygen is for respiration, nitrogen is what? A biological process. Next will comes our main topic, what are properties of solutions. These are important properties. They will ask for your exam purpose 3 to 4 marks. Remember that. Okay, you can read properly. Now we'll understood these topics very clearly, means you can read and write very easily. Okay, first point is solution is a homogeneous mixture. First point is very simple. What is a homogeneous mixture? Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Completed. And the homogeneous mixture means the particles we cannot see with our naked eyes, because the size is very small. This is the second point only. So the particles of a solutions are smaller than 1 nanometer. So here 1 nano, nm means what here? Nanometer. That is a 10 raised to minus nanometer. 10 raised to nanometer means you can write in the power of what? 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. So first point is that it is a homogeneous mixture, correct? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Second point, the particles of solution are so small we cannot see with our naked eyes because their size is very small, that is 1 nanometer. This is simple. First, solution is homogeneous mixture. Second one, the size of the particles are very small, so small. What is the size means? 1 nanometer. So we cannot see with our naked eyes. Simple. Third point, because of very small size, they do not scatter beam of light passing through the solution. So the particles are so small we cannot see, means the light cannot passing through them, because to pass the light there should always be a scatter scatter must be scatter. So there is the particle size is so small the light will not scatter, and there is no visible of path of the light because the particle size is what? Very small. Simple is there. Because the smaller particle size they do not scatter beam of light. Why? Means the size is very small, so we cannot see the path of the light in a solution. So sometimes they will ask, sometime in exam they will ask why the path of a light is not visible in a solution. Means simple, one line or two lines you can write it, because the particle size of a solution is so small. Size of the particles is what? So small the light cannot scatter. Simple. For that answer, this is the only, the they will not scatter. So due to this only the path will not visible to our naked eyes. Correct? Why it is not possible? Means the size of the particles are so small. Due to this only the solution, in the solution the path of the light is not visible. The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Okay, when the solute particles are dissolved in the solution, we cannot separate or we cannot distinguish what a solution as well as the what a solute particle. For example, when we are making the solution of lemonade soda or sugar in water. Okay, for example, we taken here water plus sugar. So after mixing the water plus sugar, after 2 minutes we cannot say that which is the sugar and which is the water. So means we cannot separate the sugar from the water, means that much it is completely dissolved, so we cannot separate very easily. That is a filtration method. The solute particles do not settle down well when left undisturbed. That is, the solution is a stable position. So after the 2-3 minutes, the sugar particles is not settle at the bottom of the container. So because they are completely dissolved in this solutions, they do not settle at the bottom. So they are what? Quite stable solutions. Okay, these are the some important points of what? Solutions. What are the points? Again we will recall. First, solution is a homogeneous mixture. Simple. First point is what? Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Second point, the size of the particles are so small, about what? 1 nanometer in diameter. Correct? So solution is a homogeneous mixture. The size of the particles are so small, about what? 1 nanometer in diameter. Second, the size is very small. They do not scatter the beam of light, means we cannot see the path of the light. Correct? This is the third point. Simple is it. And fourth point, the solute particles are do not settle down, means they are quite stable. Okay, these are the 4 points we can easily remember that. First, homogeneous mixture. Second, the particle size is so small, about 1 nanometer, and we cannot see with the naked eyes. Second point is clear, very easy. Third point, the particle size is so small and they will not scatter the beam of light, and we cannot see the path of a light in a solution. Completed. fourth point, the particles are when the solute particles are dissolved, so we cannot separate it by filtration method, and these are what quite stable solutions. Okay, this is about properties of solutions. Okay, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.